Hey, SailorWorks this side, and today I'll be talking about toolrouter, one of Composio's coolest feature. Before diving into details, let me quickly walk you through my project where I have actually used toolrouter, and then I'll compare it with another project where I haven't. So you can really see the difference in complexity and workflow. So the first project is AI-powered onboarding agent. Its main job is to help new members joining an organization get up to speed by summarizing and explaining a GitHub repository. Basically, when someone new joins a team, this agent gives them a short, engaging video explaining the repo. It uses three toolkits: GitHub, Hagen for avatar video generation, and Slack for posting message. Here's how it works. First, GitHub provides the README, project structure, and the latest two comments. The agent then summarizes all that, generates a video script, and creates an avatar video using Hagen. Finally, it posts the video link directly into the connected Slack channel. Because I'm using toolrouter here, the entire setup feels much cleaner and connections are handled seamlessly, although I have manually configured those connections on the Composio dashboard. Now let's compare that with another project of mine, an Instagram automation agent. This one automatically posts contents on Instagram. So if you got a video stored on Google Drive, you just drop the link and short description into Notion, and agent takes care of the rest. It writes an optimized caption, uploads the video, and posts it to your Instagram business account. But here's the catch. The setup is way more complicated. You've got multiple service connections, authentication handling, debugging, and tool availability checks. It uses Google Drive, Notion, and Instagram all working together, which means a lot of manual setup that toolrouter would have simplified. Now coming back to toolrouter, it mainly works in three phases: discovery, authentication, and execution. In my onboarding agent, I am using a hybrid structure with toolrouter and proxy execution via Composio. Here's how it flows in the code. I start instructing the agent through a prompt telling it to act as an AI assistant that analyzes the GitHub repo and writes a short 30-second video script. It pulls data from README, project structure, and recent commits and crafts a creative script based on that. Then using Composio's proxy execute, it runs another toolkit, Hagen, for creating and generating the video. Then a new session is created using toolrouter that helps send a message to the Slack channel, basically notifying the team that someone new has joined. And that's pretty much it. A mix of toolrouter, proxy execution in action, making the whole process smooth and modular. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.